Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I have decided to rip the band-aid off and start doing some cutbacks here in my native garden. Now I'm specifically just doing cutbacks on perennials whose stalks are starting to lose their structural integrity. We've had a lot of rain, which is actually totally normal for central North Carolina in January. We had 2.5 inches day before yesterday. We have another rain system arriving in, I think, tomorrow. And a lot of the plants are just starting to get beat down by the winter weather. And to be honest, a lot of the plants are starting to break dormancy, which is causing the stems to break off. Now look, I am aware of all of the information that has come out about when you should cut down your perennials. The thing is, you need to think critically about this. A lot of that information is coming from Mid-Atlantic, Northeast, or Midwestern resources. Their climate is completely different than ours here in the Southeast. So we have to do some cutbacks earlier in the season, and there's nothing wrong with that. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. I'm just basically gonna put it on time lapse and try to get this done because I have a really busy schedule starting next week, starting to travel again for gardening events. And I'm just not gonna have as much availability to be at home to do this, and I really wanna take advantage of this gorgeous January day. So I hope this will inspire you to start planning for your winter cutbacks as well. Well, obviously I'm keeping the muley grasses up, and I have to say, I am so glad that I did these cutbacks. I think the bed looks so much better. And a lot of these things are evergreen. They have evergreen rosettes, so you can see all the solidago, has all its leaves, and the penstemons, and of course you can see some seeded California poppies in here that will now have enough light to really be able to grow out. So I do not regret doing these cutbacks one bit. And now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle that larger bed up there because we've already done that border last week. And then I'll be able to feel really confident that even with my busy travel schedule, these beds are ready for the season that's coming. And out here in this bed, it's really, again, mostly solidago and rudbeckia that I'm cutting down, and maybe some asters. And again, I think, it's time. I'm sure that the near hurricane that we had like 2 days ago is the cause of a lot of the plants breaking apart and everything looking a lot messier, because it didn't look this bad a week ago. But I think that this is the sign to take advantage of this beautiful day and go ahead and get these cutbacks completed. Wow, what a difference just a few minutes makes. Just got a wheelbarrow load of cutbacks to put into the compost pile, and I've got to say, I don't know why I was hesitating, because the bed looks so great, and I got to spend some quality time on my hands and knees to really see the state of all of the perennials. And well, I'm really impressed. Everything is growing. Really, I think we're going to have a solid ground cover by the end of the summer. And well, I'm even more excited than ever to see how these native borders will look this spring. So I do hope you'll plan to visit during the Spring Open Garden, which is Saturday, May 11th from noon to 4 p.m. It's a free, no registration, rain or shine event. We will be doing a big native plant sale, both for full sun and for full shade. Well, I look forward to sharing more updates, and thanks so much for watching. Happy gardening, everybody.